Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we're taking you to Logan, Ohio, where a charming tiny cabin container redefines romance and relaxation. Nestled in a serene natural setting, this beautifully crafted retreat features cozy interiors and a private hot tub, perfect for unwinding under the stars. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or dreaming of your own tiny container getaway, this unique design is sure to inspire. Stay with us as we explore every detail of this romantic hideaway. Welcome to the Nest by Rewild Rentals. Escape to this luxurious tiny cabin nestled among the trees, a perfect blend of modern design and nature. Thoughtfully designed for couples or solo travelers, this cozy retreat has everything you need for a relaxing getaway. The Nest is your perfect retreat, blending comfort, style, and the beauty of the outdoors. Check out at Rewild Rentals on IG for more photos, videos, and local recommendations. You'll find the Nest is conveniently close to scenic hiking trails and downtown Logan, combining outdoor adventure with local charm. They have designed the Nest to allow our guests to reconnect with nature and each other. Inside, the living area is open and airy with enormous windows letting in abundant natural light. This room is anchored with a cozy gas fireplace and opens to the kitchen so you can enjoy being together. The fully equipped kitchen sets the stage for memorable evenings with each other. Comfort and luxury are their top priorities when designing a bedroom. They designed a luxurious bathroom for you to relax in after a day of adventure. Guests have access to the entire cabin minus 2 locked supply cabinets. Our cabin is nestled in the woods and private. However, our other property, Raven House, is on the same 6 acres. Each cabin was intentionally placed to maintain privacy but are visible to each other. That wraps up our tour of this romantic tiny cabin container in Logan, Ohio. With its cozy charm and relaxing hot tub, it's the perfect getaway for those seeking a peaceful retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who love unique tiny homes. Subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspiring designs and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you stay in a cabin like this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.